Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Animation Cosmos. In today's video, let's solve Hello World in C problem in HackerRank. Let's look up to the objective. In this challenge, we will learn some basic concepts of C that will get you started with the language. Every language starts with the program Hello World. Let it be any programming language. You have to go with the basic steps. Then only you will be able to understand the complete language in a very detailed way and to understand its logic. Let's move further. You will need to use the same syntax to read input and write output in many C challenges. As you work through this problem, review the code steps to learn about reading from std in and writing to std out. So here the task is it requires you to print hello world, only hello world on a single line, and then print already provided input string to std out. If you're not familiar with C, you want to read about the printf command. Okay, so example is life is beautiful. The required output is hello world, life is beautiful. If you give it as an input, you have to get the output as hello world, life is beautiful. So here the function description is complete the main function below. The main function has the following input string as a string. So it prints two strings, hello world on one line and the input string on the other line. The input format is there is one line of text S. So the sample input is welcome to C programming. So the output you have to get it as hello world, welcome to C programming. The output that you want to get is hello world, welcome to C programming. So here you have to complete the main function as they have said. Okay, let's write the code for this. Simple one, guys. So here it's nothing, just you have to print hello world, welcome to C programming. So this is it that you have to print. You have to print in the main function. So let's use print function, print f, and you have to write the expression. So what is the first one you have to print is hello world. So copy this or you can type it. I'm copying it because with the spaces you can fill over here. Hello world, it has to be within the double quotes. Okay, print function should be within the double quotes, so you have to use double quotes over here and with semicolon. So this is the syntax of printf statement. So next printf statement is what you have to print. You have to print welcome to C programming. So you have to copy it and you have to paste over here and semicolon. So this is the code, guys. So you will get the output, expected output, hello world, welcome to C programming. Let's run up the code. Oh, we have got some error. Hello world, welcome to C programming. So here it has to be on the different line, guys. So here you have to use new line. That's it. If you use the new line, you will get the output in the new line. Yes, it's done. See, hello world, welcome to C programming is the output. So this is the solution for hello world in C programming. I hope all of you understood this code. Let's meet up in the next video. Thank you, guys. Happy learning.